everyone, how are you doing? I hope you're having an amazing day. So today we're opening like the cutest bag ever. Look at this. I love elephants. You can see I've got an elephant in the background. I just love elephants so much. I want to purchase these mailer bags myself. I don't know what I'll do with them, but I think this is the cutest bag ever. But anyways, today let's talk about what's inside this bag now. We are opening a sneak peek for the July Pin Culture Wires box. This box ships like I believe the 22nd of this month. So I am super excited to see. I've tried so many of the different Pin Culture subscriptions, and not this one yet. So this is a first for me, the wire box. I have not tried. So Pin Culture is a hair accessory subscription. It's seriously the most like practical and convenient subscription. They have so many options, at least 8 I think. Like starting super cheap, they're all affordable. But I think you can get like one that's just bobby pins. It's like less than $2. But there's one where you get just hair ties, and then they have different types of hair ties, like ribbon ties. They have boxes that have a variety of them. I've opened that where I got like half like hair ties, and then I also got some bobby pins. That was super nice. I've opened the ribbon ties. I've opened a lot. So we're opening the wire tie one today. I will leave the link down below if you want to check out all the different options they have. There seriously is a lot, so you can find what works for you. They also gave me a promo code, and there's also a special perk, so we'll give you 20% off, but also until July 20th, you'll receive a free hair tie bracelet in either gold or silver. The color you will receive is random. So that's, yeah, you got some time. So for a few weeks you get not only a discount, you also get a free item that has a value of $10. So I will leave all of that information down below. So if you're interested, definitely make sure to use that code. I don't get anything out of it. It's just for you guys to save. But yeah, not only do you save, you get a bonus gift this month. So I think that's really awesome and nice of them. So thank you for providing us that code. We love promo codes here on our channel. Anyways, let's get unboxing and see what this wire box is all about. But before we get unboxing, I just want to remind you all that I do have 2 giveaways going on our channel. So I will link those down below if you have not yet entered. One ends super soon, and one ends at the end of the month. So check them out. Okay, so inside it looks like there's a card, and then everything is wrapped up in here. So let's see what the card says. Here is the card. That's cute. Little peace sign. It says, "Hi Kitty, here's your exclusive sneak peek of July's wire tie box. Can't wait to hear what you think. P.S. I included the hair tie bracelet that is free when someone uses your coupon code." Awesome! So I can show you guys that bonus gift you'll get if you use my code. So again, everything else is wrapped up in here. Oh man, these are so cute. So there's a card that comes every month. It says, "Thank you so much for subscribing to the wire ties box. I hope you enjoy your monthly supply of wire ties. This month's box has a retail value of $15. Awesome. And then we have the bonus gift and the wire ties themselves. So I love how they send their hair ties always, no matter what the type, in this little plastic carrier. So you can save this and put your hair ties in here, so you can like throw it in your bag so they're easier to find. Hide it from your cats, which is what I have to do because they love to play with my hair ties. But yeah, this is what it looks like. So it says Pin Culture on there, and then the ribbon tie, or why do I keep wanting to say ribbon ties? The wire ties are inside it, and they look so colorful and fun. Yeah, it reminds me of Pride. Let's see. These are so fun. So I was just talking about wire ties the other day. I like them. I feel like they're really rising in popularity. Apparently if you have really thick hair, or like if you have problems when your hair is up, like with pulling or like pain, these should help. I have really thin hair. I do like them, but I never suffer with that like painful pulling or anything like that. But these are the wire ties. I don't have any that are fun colors. The ones I have right now are just like white and black and stuff. So these are super fun and cute. Really excited to get some use out of these. So let's now look at this. I didn't realize what they're talking about at first. I love these. I had one before. So it's a bracelet that holds your hair tie in like a cute fashion. These are awesome. I was like amazed when I first learned of these. I don't know why I didn't realize what they were talking about at first. So this is what it looks like. So it's a bracelet, and there's seriously just a hair tie around it. So let me put it on my hands. So it looks like a cute bracelet, but when I need a hair tie, I can just take this off and there it is. And then you still have this cute like bracelet on it. It just holds it. You can use these with other hair ties if this one like stretches or, you know, you lose it or something. It's such a convenient way to have a hair tie in your wrist, and it's not too tight, like cutting off circulation or anything like that. This is so cute. So this is the bonus gift you will get. It might be in gold, so it's either in silver or gold. So this is so fun and awesome. I love these. I'm so glad to have one again. So thank you, Pink Culture, for sending me this box and for providing us with that amazing code and the option to have this awesome gift. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Again, take a look at their website, which I will link down below to see all the awesome variety of subscriptions they offer. Anyways, I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!